Want to see something that electricians and HVAC technicians don't want you to know? Check this out. You guys asked for it, you got it. The last meter I put on here, you guys asked, does it do amps? Does it do capacitance? Well, here it is, guys. This one has the automatic features like the other one. It'll do voltage, it'll do continuity, it'll do resistance, and all automatically. But this one also has amperage. It's a clamp meter, so this is perfect for the HVAC guys. This one will also do temperature. It also has the no contact voltage like the other one did. This meter is just all in one. It comes with really nice leads, a couple feet long, soft, durable. You can test a 9-volt battery, not that you really want to, but automatically goes to DC volts, 9.58. Just an outlet here, automatically knows AC volts, 120.5 continuity, already knows it. Test the resistance in a 12-volt relay coil, 81.8 ohms. This is one of my favorite uses. This will do capacitance, and all you got to do is discharge a capacitor. This is 90% of the time when your air conditioner quits working or your outside conditioning unit, this is the problem. But to test it, you just go here, you go to your Herm, 39.42. So this is a 40 microfarad capacitor, plus or minus 5%, so that's good on that side. Now you check the fan. This should be 5 plus or minus 5%. It's 4.92, so this is a good capacitor.